So hi guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to fix this issue that your MacBook showing the charger indicator light like this. It's slowly blinking, not to be solid. So basically it's mean that your computer goes into the deep sleep mode when your battery is drained too much. Okay, and if you fix this issue, so guys basically you need to some high power charger. So if you have type C charger like this, and this I have this charger and it supported around 33 watts, but my basic MacBook supported only the 30 watts. So basically you just unplug it from the charging for the main charger and plug the type C. After plugging, you just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so it helps you to give some extra power to your battery to wake up. Okay, when after 5 to 10 minutes, plug your normal charger and turn on your MacBook. Now guys, here you see, now I am unplugged my power charger and plug with my MacBook normal charger. Now when I open it, so guys here it, you check that it's properly normally it's open. Okay, so this is the way that you can. Now guys, here you see that my Mac is start. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.